Tobe, first of all, I need to wish you a happy birthday.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
I would like you to tell me a tiny bit about your experience using odurinde.com, especially our web development, our 3-month web development program.
Okay. First of all, thank you for the birthday wish. My name is Tobenna Valentine. I currently turned 24 today.
Hey,
yes.
You're still very young.
Yeah, I'm a young man. Yeah. So, first of all, I came across odurinde.com or the Odurinde Empowerment Training Program as a November on an Instagram ad.
Okay. That will be November 2025.
Yes.
Okay.
On an Instagram ad.
Yeah.
So the ad was just about learn web development. So I've always wanted, to be a tech guy. I studied computer science in school for 4 years.
Okay.
So my niche is the goal to be a software developer. So Odurinde helped me achieve the first step, which is front-end web development. I signed up. I got an email. I registered for the classes. I attended almost all the classes to the best of my abilities. So this Odurinde Learning Center changed my life. It gave me the foundation I needed to start in tech. Gave me 3 new technologies: HTML, CSS, and JavaScript that I can use to create front-end websites. So one thing I can say about Odurinde platform is the LMS.
Okay.
It's very important, user-friendly, very responsive for all.
Yeah, it's quite interesting. You're the second person to say that to me.
Yes,
so
it is.
Our learning environment is very user-friendly.
Very user-friendly.
Oh, brilliant.
So responsive because I have multiple devices and I've accessed the LMS through multiple devices: a phone, a laptop, a tablet.
At the same time or different times?
On different occasions.
Okay.
Awesome.
And it works well.
Awesome.
Oh, brilliant.
Awesome.
Okay.
So one key feature about the LMS is the ability to rewatch past classes. So I myself am a regular 9-to-5 worker. Okay. So most of the times during the classes, I get stuck in traffic, no network, stuff like that.
Yeah.
But because I know that LMS is already fast, it's covering me.
Okay. Sorry to interrupt you. There's one key thing you just mentioned.
Yeah.
So you like the fact that if you're not able to make the live classes,
the recording session.
Exactly. Recorded.
Is uploaded on the LMS.
Okay.
So
that's
the next day or whenever I have a free time,
you have the time.
I watch the live class. And because of my colleagues that I'm learning with, ask questions or whatever.
Yes.
During the live class, I also have access to those questions.
So this question help you in your own learning.
Yes,
okay.
Learning.
Okay, that's so fantastic.
The LMS is one of the most important parts of this training.
The web development package.
Yes, the LMS is one of the most important parts of the training. So the second important part of the training is the tutor himself, Mr. Emmanuel. Brilliant.
Yeah.
Brilliant. He scattered HTML, CSS, JavaScript down to the basics. He was so on because embarking on this journey, I'm not gonna lie, I was scared because first, and I've been hearing JavaScript, the god of front end.
But hang on a minute. Yeah. You have a degree in computer science.
Yes.
Does that not equip you for stuff like CSS?
Because back when I was in school, I was, I chose a different path.
Okay.
UI UX design. So that was because I always loved mixing colors. Okay. I always loved how things appear. Okay. I'm also into fashion. Okay. So all those things made me go for UI UX.
The skill you acquired in Odurinde.com's web development course, married to your degree in computer science, where you specialize on UX UI, makes you the complete package. Okay. Thanks for coming all the way from Surulere to Ikeja.
Thank you.
Okay.
I'm happy to be here. It's my pleasure.
Good. I'm pleased to hear that.
Odurinde.com. Odurinde.com.
Odurinde.com.
Odurinde.com.
Odurinde.com.
Odurinde.com.
Odurinde.com. Odurinde.com.